Hello students, today we will start our new lesson, lesson number 12, how heavy, how light. Heavy means bhari and light means halka. So in this chapter we will compare two objects, which one is heavier and which one is light. Then in this chapter we will understand about these points. First one is estimate the weight of an object. Okay. Second, convert the weight in kilograms into grams. यानी हमें kilograms को ग्राम में convert करना and then ग्राम को किलोग्राम में. Then third one, identify the appropriate unit used to measure the weight of an object. Then fourth one, solve story problem based on weight. Now see our first question, convert the following weight into the units indicated. Okay, so in the first question A, 5 kilogram into gram. So here we have to convert kilogram into gram. So as I explained you, that is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. It is bigger unit and it is smaller. When we convert bigger unit into smaller, then what will we do? We will do multiplication by 1000. So here we are converting kilogram into gram. So we will do multiplication from by 1000. Okay. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 5 kilogram is equal to how many gram? So 5 multiplied by 1000 gram. Okay. 5 multiplied by 1000 gram. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay. So answer is 5000 gram. So if we will do multiply, see, 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. And then 5 ones are 5. Answer is 5000 gram. So we will write answer is 5000 gram. So here we have converted kilogram into gram. So what we will do here? We will do multiplication by 1000. Okay. Now see the next question, that is 4000 gram into kilogram. So here it is smaller and it is bigger. So when we convert gram into kilogram, here we will do division. Okay. So first we will write 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 4000 gram is equal to how many kilogram? So 4000 gram divided by 1000. Okay. So here are two ways to divide. First of all, we will do by this way, 4000 upon 1000. So here this 0 will be cut from this one. Okay. Now this one, in that way we can cut 1 and 1 0. Now see, this 0 will be cut from this one. So answer is 4 and the unit will be kilogram. If we want to do in the second way, so we will do by this way. See, 4000 divided by 1000. Now see the table of 1000. We don't know the table of 1000, but we know the table of 1. In the table of 1, 4 will come how many times? 4 times. Okay. 1 4s are 4. So 1000 multiplied by 4. 1000 4 times if we will multiply, that 4000 will come. 4, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Then 4 minus 4, 0. It is answer and it is remainder. So answer is 4. Okay. Answer is 4 kilogram. Okay. Next question. See, 2 kilogram 500 gram into gram. So here we have to convert kilogram into gram. But one more thing, here 2 units are given, that means kilogram and gram, both units are given and we have to convert into gram. So here we have to remind one thing, we have to convert only kilogram into gram. This one is already converted, ये already ग्राम में है, so इसे हम convert नहीं करेंगे. So first of all we will write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Whenever we solve this types of sum, always write first 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram or 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, so 2 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 2 multiplied by 1000 gram, and this one we will not convert but we have to add. Okay, so first of all multiply 2 and 1000. So 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal 2000 gram plus 500 gram. See how this answer will come. 1000 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. Then 2 multiplied by 0, 0. Always start from ones place. That way, okay. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. And 2 multiplied by 1 is equal 2. So answer is 2000 gram plus 500 gram will be here. Okay. So 2000 plus 500 gram we have to add. 2000 gram plus 500 gram. Now see, here is 3 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So we will arrange by ones place. This 0 will come here and this second one will be here, and that 5 it will be on 100, 10, 1, 10 and 100 place. Okay, and here is no any digit, so we will put here 0. Okay, now 0 plus 0, 0, then 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 0, 2. Answer is 2500 gram. So answer 2500 gram. Okay, student, next question is 3 kilogram 200 gram into gram. So here also two units, both units are given, that means kilogram and gram दोनों दिया हुआ है and we have to convert in gram. So first always remember one thing, we have to convert only kilogram into gram because ये तो already convert ही है. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, then 3 kilogram, अब 3 kilogram को convert करेंगे. 3 kilogram is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000 gram. Whenever we do this, then we will get only 3000 gram. So what will we do? Of 200 gram, इसको इसके साथ में ऐड करेंगे. So 3 multiplied by 1000 gram, then plus this 200 gram will be added. Now 3 multiplied by 1000, 1000 multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 3 multiplied by 0, 0. 3 multiplied by 0, 0, and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Okay, so answer is 3000 gram plus 200 gram. अब इसको इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. So 3000 gram plus 0, 0 and 2. Okay, here no any digit, so we will put here 0. So add it. 0 plus 0, 0. Here 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 2, 2. 3 plus 0, 3. So answer is 3200 gram. 3200 gram. Okay. Now see the next one, 14 kilogram 400 gram into gram. So here kilogram and gram both units are given. So first 14 kilogram will be converted in gram and then 400 gram will be added. So first of all we will write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Then 14 kilogram will be converted. So 14 kilogram is equal how many gram? So 14 multiplied by 1000 gram. Okay, after this we will add this 400 gram. Now, okay, we'll multiply 1000 by 14. Okay, so here 2 digits are there. So first we will start from the tens place. Okay, so when we start from tens place, first put the 0 and then we'll start from the tens place. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. Then 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. And 1 ones are 1. Okay. Okay. Now, next it is 4. Okay. It is on 1 place. So, we'll start from the 1's place. 4 multiplied by 0, 4. Sorry, 0. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. And 4 ones are 4. Okay. So, here no any digit, so we'll put here 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 4, 4. And 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, so here 40,000 gram plus 400 gram. So, we'll add 14,000 and 400. Here no any digits, so we will put 0. Okay. So 14,000 plus 400. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 0. Then 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 0, 1. Okay. 14,400 gram. So answer is 14,400 gram. Okay. Now see the next question. 6 kilogram 800 gram into gram. So, first we will write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Now, here both units are given, kilogram and gram. So, first we will convert 6 kilogram into gram, then we will add 800 gram. So, 6 multiplied by 1000 gram. Then we will add 800 gram. Now, 1000 multiplied by 6. 1000 multiplied by 6. 6 multiplied by 0, 0. Then 6 multiplied by 0, again 0. Then again 6 multiplied by 0, 0. Now 6 ones are 6. Now here 6000 will come. 6000 gram plus 800 gram. Okay. 0, 0 and 8. As I explained you, whenever you will add, you subtract, या you multiply, will start from the ones place. Okay. Now here no any digits, so put here 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Here also 0 will come. Then 0 plus 8, 8. 6 plus 0, 6. Answer is 6800 gram. Okay students, one next question is calculate the total weight and write in kilogram and gram. So here you can see that in this question 125 gram plus 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 125 gram. How many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yani 125 gram is repeating 6 times. So instead of adding these numbers, we have to do multiply. As I explained you in multiplication chapter, that multiplication is a repeated addition. एक ही नंबर को बार बार ऐड करने की जगह पे अगर हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that means how many times it will repeated. So we will get the answer very quickly. तो इसको हम ऐड करेंगे, इसकी प्लेस पर अगर हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देते, then we will get our answer very quickly. How can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यानी 6 times 125 gram is repeating. So 6 multiplied by 125 gram. Instead of addition of this number, we will do multiplication. So 125 gram multiplied by 6. Okay. 6 5s are 30. 0 will be here and 3 will be carry forward. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 5 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. Now see, 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is 750 gram. if we add, okay, अगर हम इसको add भी करेंगे then we will get our answer 750 gram. So instead of adding we will do multiply. Okay, see the next question. 350 gram plus 350 gram plus 350 gram plus 350 gram. So here you can see that 350 gram is repeating 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so we will write 4 times 350 gram. In this way we can write. Okay, now we will multiply 350 gram by 4. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 0, 0, 4 5s are 20, 0 will here and 2 will be carry forward. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, so answer is 1400, that means 1400 gram. Now we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, but here is 1400 gram, so we can convert in kilogram. So 1000 plus 400. See, 1400 gram is equal to 1000 plus 4. This number, this place will be separated because we have to divide by 1000. So this place will be separated, 1000 plus 400 gram. Okay. Now this one, 1000 will be divided by 1000. So 1000 gram divided by 1000. Okay. Plus 400. It is gram. Now this one you can divide by 2 ways. This is the first way. See, in this way we can divide, and the second way I also explained. First this 0 will be cut from this one, then this 0 will be cut from this one, and this 0 will be cut from this one. So answer is 1, and here is 400 gram. So we will not convert in gram because it is less than 1000. अगर ये 1000 से ज़्यादा होता then we will convert in kilogram, but it is less than 1000, so we will not convert in kilogram, and it is already converted in kilogram. So answer is 1 kilogram and 400 gram. Okay, then 130 gram. Now in this way we have to arrange, and then we will add. First over we will write unit, then 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So we will write here 0. Then 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, and 10 plus 3, 13. So 3 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 plus 1, 10. 1030. 1030 gram. So here 1030 gram, that means it is more than 1000. अगर 1000 से ज़्यादा है then we have to convert in kilogram. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, 1000 gram जो है 1 kilogram का equal है. So here is 1030 gram. तो इसको हम सेपरेट कर देंगे so that we can divide by 1000, क्योंकि 1030 को अगर हम 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये पूरा 1000 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So 1000 plus 30. Okay, in that way we have to separate. Now this one will be divided by 1000. So 1000 divide by 1000. Okay, plus 30 gram, because it will not be divided. Now divide it. 0 will be cut from this one, and now this 0 will be cut from this one, this 0 will be cut from this one. So answer is 1 kilogram and this is 30 gram. 1 kilogram and 30 gram. Okay, now see the next question. 445 gram, 220 gram, 650 gram. So here also you can see that there's no any numbers is repeating, so we have to add here. Okay, so first we will arrange 445 gram, then 220 gram, then 650 gram, then add. First of all we will write unit, that is gram. Now see, 5 plus 0 5, then 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 1 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 6 30. Okay, so answer is 1350. Now here you can see it is more than 1000. अगर 1000 से ज़्यादा है तो the second way. Now see the place of 1000. 1000 की place क्या है यहाँ पे? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So it will be converted in kilogram. So 1 kilogram and 350 gram. So in the second way I will explain. Now see, as you know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So first of all 1000 plus 350 gram. Okay. So this number will be separated just because we have to divide by 1000. So this 1000 will be divided by 1000 gram. 1000 divided by 1000 because it will be converted in kilogram, plus 315 gram. Okay. Now when we divide it, now see, this 0 will be cut from this one, this 0 will be cut from this one, and this one will be cut from this 0. Okay. Now so answer is 1 kilogram and 350 gram. So answer is 1 kilogram 350 gram. Okay, student, next question is 5 multiplied by 550 gram. So here we have to do multiplication. 550 gram multiplied by 5 gram. No, sorry, 5. Okay, so first write unit, then we'll start from the ones place. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 will be here and 2 will be carry forward. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 27. Okay, so answer is 2750. 2750 gram. So here you can see that it is more than 1000. तो हम इसको किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. So you know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So whenever we do it by orally, कैसे करेंगे? देखो, where is the 1000 place? It is ones, tens, 100, 1000. So ये 1000 की प्लेस है, ये किलोग्राम की प्लेस में कन्वर्ट हो सकती है. That means ये 2000 है. Whenever we see that it is the place value of 2, it is 2000. So 2750 is equal to 2 की प्लेस क्या है? 1000. Whenever we see the place value of 2, it is 2000. Okay. Now next number will be here. Okay. Now here 2000 plus 750 gram. तो ये नंबर को हम किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं because it is more than 1000. So 2000 divide by 1000 plus 750 gram. So 2000 divide by 1000, okay, plus 750 gram. Do divide 0 and 0. Okay, this 0 will be cut from this one, this 0 will be cut from this one. So answer is here 2. So 2 is kilogram. So answer is 2 kilogram and 750 will be gram only. Okay. Next, 7 multiplied by 900 gram. 900 gram multiplied by 7. Okay. So first of all, we'll write unit. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. Now 7 9s are 63. So answer is 6,300. 6,300 it is gram. So if we want to convert in kilogram, so we can do it. But how? 1000 gram is equal 1 kilogram. Okay. Now see, by orally if we want to do, only see the number of which is in 1000 place. 1000 की place को ही देखना है, just because we have to do the divide. We have to divide it by 1000. 1000 से divide करना है तो 1000 की place देखो कहाँ है, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. तो जो 1000 की place है वो किलोग्राम में convert हो सकता है. So 6 it will be kilogram and जो बाकी के जो बच गए हैं that will be in gram. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So this number will be separated. कैसे? 6000 इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू देन 300. ओके ग्राम. नाउ दिस नंबर विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. सो 6000 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. इसी को हम क्यों डिवाइड करेंगे? बिकॉज इसको हमें किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके प्लस ये नहीं होगा जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज लेस देन 1000. सो वी विल राइट हियर लाइक दिस. नाउ do division. 6000 divide by 1000. okay, इसको divide करो. 0 then 0. This 0 will be cut from this one, then this 0 will be cut from this one. So answer is 6. So 6 will be called kilogram plus this is 300 gram. Okay, so whenever we write answer 6 kilogram and 300 gram. Okay.